Be happy. Ta-da! Hi everybody, this is Ivy Crearts and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And yes, for today's video, it will be exciting because I am going to make a dispenser for my washi tape. And I found this one and it is already empty. As you can see, it's aluminum foil dispenser. And I was actually thinking of just removing the blade. However, I think I can use this as my washi tape dispenser. So I'm still gonna use this rod, and then what I'm gonna do is create a hole here, and then that will go that way, and then I will have a dispenser like like that. So I have to make it sturdy, and then I don't need to cut this one. I'll see, because actually I put it somewhere in my other dispenser, but I don't have the blades. So let me see if I can use this to become functional. All right, here we go. Alright, here we go. So I fully covered everything here for this dispenser, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is put this washi tapes here, and I am going to make a hole on both sides. Okay, so first, of course, we need to measure how thick the rod is. Here they are. They're ready. So let me just get one here. Ah. Alright guys, here's my message for you. Always be happy. Comment yay if you like this video. Be happy. Ta-da. And swatches. This is only optional if you like it. Hi again, it's the next day and I thought of another option to do it. So it's option number 2 and I am just going to use this roll. And I know it's kind of big for the washi tape, so what I'm gonna do is cut it and just adjust it accordingly. Thanks for watching!